In the vast and ever-evolving world of semiconductors, where innovation shapes the backbone of our digital society, there are companies whose influence is felt everywhere, even if their names aren't always in the spotlight. Nexperia is one such silent powerhouse, quietly driving progress behind the scenes. Originally born from the legacy of Philips, Nexperia doesn't produce the flashy processors that grab headlines. Instead, it specializes in the essential, reliable chips that form the foundation of modern electronics. Components that keep our devices, vehicles, and entire industries running smoothly every single day. These basic yet vital components are found in everything from smartphones and laptops, to cars, and industrial machines, quietly powering the digital age and enabling the technology we often take for granted. In 2019, Nexperia was acquired by China's Wingtech Technology, marking a significant shift as a vital European asset came under Chinese control, a move that sent ripples through the global tech community. The company's unique model, designing advanced chips in Europe and packaging them in China, proved highly efficient, but it also created a new and risky dependency between continents. Nowhere was this dependency more critical than in the automotive sector, where Nexperia's chips are absolutely indispensable for industry giants like Volkswagen and countless others. As geopolitical tensions between China and Europe escalated, Nexperia's ownership became a flashpoint, transforming what began as a business deal into a matter of national security and international debate. The semiconductor industry, once a symbol of seamless global cooperation, was now thrust into the heart of a new technological Cold War, with supply chains and alliances under intense scrutiny. Nexperia suddenly found itself caught in the crossfire, between governments, multinational corporations, and the unpredictable tides of global power. The stage was set for a confrontation that would reverberate far beyond the company's walls, shaping the future of technology and international relations alike. In September 2024, the Dutch government took an extraordinary and historic step that stunned both domestic and international observers. For the first time, authorities placed Nexperia, a major semiconductor manufacturer, under direct state supervision for a full year, signaling a new era of government oversight in the tech industry. Citing urgent national security concerns, the Netherlands invoked a rarely used Cold War-era law. This law allowed the government to strip Chinese parent company Wingtech of its control, and required that all major business decisions receive official approval. The government's move was fueled by mounting fears over sensitive technology being transferred to China, as well as the risk of foreign manipulation of critical supply chains that underpin the Dutch and European economies. In a swift and decisive action, the Amsterdam Enterprise Chamber removed Nexperia's CEO Zhang Shuizheng, citing not only conflicts of interest but also the potential for trade secret leaks and industrial espionage. Court-appointed custodians immediately assumed control of the company, effectively neutralizing Wingtech's influence and ensuring that Dutch interests would be protected during this critical period. This unprecedented intervention marked a dramatic departure from the Netherlands' traditionally open investment climate, as the government chose to prioritize national security over long-standing free market principles. The message to the world was unmistakable. From now on, critical Dutch technology assets would not be left exposed to foreign control or influence, no matter the economic cost. The Nexperia crisis had officially begun, ushering in a new era of assertive government intervention in the high-stakes technology sector. The Dutch government's bold move sent shockwaves through boardrooms and diplomatic circles worldwide, forcing a fundamental rethink of the rules governing global tech ownership and investment. The battle for Nexperia had become more than a corporate dispute. It was now a matter of national, and even international, security and influence. The Dutch intervention didn't happen in a vacuum. US pressure was ever present. For years, Washington lobbied allies like the Netherlands to curb China's tech ambitions, especially in semiconductors. The US saw Nexperia's Chinese ownership as a threat, fearing Beijing could access key technology and disrupt supply chains. Dutch officials insisted their decision was independent, but the alignment with US interests was unmistakable. The move was widely seen as a win for America's containment strategy, setting a precedent for other Western nations. The Netherlands found itself balancing US demands, its own security, and the risk of antagonizing China. The Nexperia case became a template for how the West could use legal tools to protect its tech sector. The global chip war was no longer theoretical. It was playing out in real time. China's response was immediate and fierce, Beijing condemned the Dutch move as economic aggression, blaming US interference. In retaliation, China blocked Nexperia's Guangdong facilities from exporting chips to Europe, crippling the company's supply chain. The Chinese branch of Nexperia defied Dutch-appointed administrators, selling chips only within China and deepening the corporate rift. The conflict escalated further when the names of Dutch intelligence officers were leaked online, widely seen as a warning from Chinese intelligence. What began as a corporate dispute had become a direct attack on national security. China's actions showed it was willing to cross red lines to defend its interests. The stakes of the Nexperia crisis had never been higher. China's export ban sent shockwaves through Europe's industrial heart, especially the automotive sector, which relies heavily on global supply chains for critical components. Car makers like Volkswagen faced sudden production halts as critical Nexperia chips vanished from supply chains, leaving thousands of vehicles unfinished. The crisis exposed Europe's deep reliance on a single supplier and on Chinese packaging facilities, which handle the majority of chip assembly. Nexperia itself fractured, with Dutch and Chinese divisions operating at odds and quality control collapsing under pressure. Customers were warned about the reliability of chips from China, fueling panic and uncertainty across the electronics industry. The disruption forced companies to confront their supply chain vulnerabilities and scramble for alternatives, often at great cost and effort. The lesson was clear: geopolitical conflict could instantly upend even the most stable and established industries. Europe's dependence on Nexperia and China had become a glaring strategic risk, demanding urgent attention from policymakers and industry leaders alike. As economic pain mounted, both sides sought a way out. In November 2024, China partially lifted its export ban, allowing limited chip shipments to Europe as a goodwill gesture. The Dutch government responded by easing some restrictions on Nexperia, signaling openness to negotiation. These small steps broke the cycle of retaliation, creating space for dialogue. Wingtech invited Dutch custodians to China for talks, aiming to restore some control while addressing security concerns. The tone shifted from confrontation to cautious diplomacy, but the core issues remained unresolved. The truce was fragile, driven by pressure from powerful industries desperate for stability. Both sides walked a tightrope, trying to protect strategic interests without reigniting hostilities. The crisis was paused, not ended. Nexperia's fate still hung in the balance. The world watched as negotiations tiptoed between compromise and collapse. By late 2024, the Nexperia standoff had settled into a tense and uneasy stalemate. Dutch court-appointed administrators still held control, while Wingtech fought back fiercely through legal appeals and mounting public pressure. Revelations of Wingtech's attempted IP transfers to China only deepened mistrust and further justified Dutch intervention. The Dutch government doubled down, ordering Nexperia to divest a key chip factory in Nijmegen for national security reasons. The company remained fractured, with European and Chinese operations now deeply estranged. Dialogue continued, but the legal and political quagmire showed absolutely no signs of resolution. Nexperia's saga had become a symbol of the broader and intensifying tech rivalry between the West and China. The battle for control was far from over, with uncertainty looming. The Nexperia saga is more than a corporate fight. It's a story that reveals the hidden tension shaping our interconnected world. It's a warning for the global tech industry, a wake-up call that no company or country can afford to ignore. The crisis exposed the fragility of interconnected supply chains, showing how even the most advanced systems can grind to a halt. It highlighted the risks of relying on strategic rivals for critical technology, and how quickly trust can erode in times of uncertainty. The world saw how a single choke point can be weaponized, disrupting entire industries and threatening economic stability. The US succeeded in pushing Europe toward a tougher stance on China, reshaping alliances and redrawing lines of cooperation. But this came at significant economic and diplomatic cost, straining relationships and raising new questions about sovereignty and control. The outcome of Nexperia will set a precedent, one that could shape how future disputes over technology and ownership are handled. A forced sale would mark a victory for US containment strategies, sending a clear message to other global players. Meanwhile, a negotiated settlement could offer a model for coexistence, showing that compromise is still possible in a divided world. Most likely Nexperia will remain in limbo, its future uncertain as governments debate and companies wait for clarity. The company's caught between competing powers and unresolved security concerns, a pawn in a much larger game. Its fate is now tied to high-stakes diplomacy and shifting global alliances, with every move watched by the world. The chip war has moved beyond advanced processors. Now, even the simplest components are battlegrounds in a global contest for power. What once seemed mundane is now at the heart of international strategy, as nations scramble to secure their technological futures. Nexperia's story is a microcosm of the struggle to control the digital future, a battle that will define the next era of globalization. What happened here is just the beginning. The world is watching and the stakes have never been higher.